Measuring grass is a critical aspect of grassland management. Management's decisions are based on information gathered whilst measuring. There's a variety of methods of measuring grass. These range from technical satellite imagery analysis down to simple visual assessments by experienced grassland farmers. I'll now explain the three most common ways of measuring grass. A sward stick converts compressed pasture heights in centimetres into kilograms dry matter per hectare. We compress the grass using a clipboard and then measure from the stick. We make a note of the measurements, take other measurements and average them out to get a representative measurement for the field. Using a sward stick is an excellent introduction to measuring grass, and it helps you to understand pasture heights. A plate meter also converts compressed heights into kilograms dry matter per hectare, but it's automated and allows us to take a number of measurements very quickly. We usually take about 60 measurements in a field, taking care not to tilt the plate meter, and we usually walk in a W shape across the field. The plate meter averages them out and displays in kilograms dry matter per hectare. In this field, there's over 2,700 kilos dry matter per hectare. Another method is to cut and weigh. This is where we use a 50 centimetre by 50 centimetre quadrant on a representative part of our field. We collect all the grass and weigh it. This is to convert it to kilograms dry matter per hectare. In this example, there's 140 grams. We multiply this by the estimated dry matter percentage of 20. We multiply again with 0.4 to convert the quadrant size to hectares. Then add 1500, which is the grass that's left behind, giving us a total of 2,620 kilograms dry matter per hectare. This method is popular with dairy farmers. It allows them to connect with their pastures and really understand how their fields are performing. In the next video, I'll be explaining how the information that's gathered is used to calculate the feed supply available on farm.